Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin now. Power off the A50 headset and ensure the base station and headset are charged above 50%. This prevents interruptions. Once done, remove the headset from the base for 5 seconds, then place it back to reinitialize the connection. Make sure your PC or console is ready with the USB cable and the Astro Command Center app installed, because you'll need firmware access. This first step forces the hardware into a clean state, so the reset can run without power or software conflicts. Now perform the actual hard reset. Press and hold the power button and the wireless pairing button simultaneously for 15 seconds or more. Hold until LED behavior changes. Once you see an amber flash, then a solid white, release. This signals the unit entered reset mode. If the headset requests USB connection, plug into your PC and open Astro Command Center to run firmware recovery. This step erases current settings and forces a factory state, so corrupted configs get replaced. Finish by repairing the headset to the base. Use the wireless pairing sequence described in the LED cues, and then reconnect to Astro Command Center to reinstall profiles and adjust audio and mic levels. Test in-game audio and voice chat to confirm full recovery. If things go wrong, try a different high-quality USB cable or repeat the hold step for 20 seconds. Sometimes debris or power glitches block the reset. If problems persist, contact support with firmware logs from the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.